everyone, and welcome back to another ScoreCEO tutorial video. My name is Jasmine, and today we are going to be learning how you can add different payment method options inside of ScoreCEO. Please keep in mind that this is only available for customers that are using Authorize.net or Benefits as a payment gateway connected with ScoreCEO. On top of that, please also keep in mind this will only apply the different payment options according to what your merchant and your gateway provider allows you to have. So that being said, let's start by learning how you can add the different payment methods. So once you first establish what are the payment method options that you want available, for example, let's say you take credit card and let's say ACH payments, let's say those are your two forms of payment. So what we're going to do is we are first going to navigate into that area. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to our configurations bubble that's located at the top right corner of our screen. And from here, we're going to click on configurations. And then we are going to click on payment settings. From here, we're going to click on payment methods. And then we are going to choose payment methods. Now here it's going to show you the available options. Here we have credit card, ACH, cash, or check. So depending on what you do take, that's what you want to show there as the payment methods available. Now what you would do is, in this case, I'm just going to keep credit card and ACH as the only two forms of payment that I accept through the system, and then I am going to click save. What that's going to do is if when your customer logs in to their customer portal and they're going to add in their payment information, it will give them those two available options, either credit card or ACH, which in my case are the ones that I currently accept in my portal. Now there's another way you can do is you can set a default payment method. Now to set up a default payment method, we would stay in the same area, but we would just go to where it says default payment method. And then from here, we can choose from the drop down menu and then you can select. Let's say credit card is kind of like the go-to and you want it to always be default to credit card, then you would just select it here and then click save. That's going to save that information as the default payment and it will always be set to that one the moment that they are going to put their card information in. So that's basically how you can add additional payment methods or show the available payment methods that you offer inside of ScoreCEO. If you do have any questions, please feel free to use our chat box that's located in your ScoreCEO portal or visit our website scoreceo.com and we also have the chat option available for you. You may also leave a comment down below and we'll be able to answer your questions and assist you with anything that you need. So thank you one more time for tuning in with me on these short videos, and I hope to see you on the next one.